Hello and welcome to MikroWin 600 SL training. Please see the MikroWin introduction video for further details on MikroWin. Let's first look at the differences in the settings view. Instead of tray size, we have two different track sizes, 6 vials for 20 ml and 10 vials for 5 or 7 ml samples. The data and spectra selections are the same. In 600 SL, range repeat is done by letting the conveyor rotate. Advanced options are the same. In 600 SL, the data is automatically named by presetting. There should always be the word auto written in the tray ID. The template to be used is selected by linking it to a barcode number on the rack. This is done in Instrument Link List. First the barcode number is selected, then the wanted template is selected via Browse for Template file. You can link multiple parameters to different IDs. Linked list can also be modified while the instrument is running to add your samples to the queue. When linking is done, the run can be started. That's all for the 600 SL training. Thank you and see you again.